Welcome to Tech Spectrum, where we review the top tech gadgets. In this video, we'll be going over the top 5 robot mops. Number 5, Best Budget Mop, iLife Shinebot W400. The iLife Shinebot W400 is our pick as the best budget robot mop. It measures 11.5 inch length, 11.1 inch width, 4.6 inch height, and weighs 7.3 pounds. Clean through stubborn stains with the all-new Tidal Power cleaning system. The 4-step process includes the moisten stage, where the floor is sprayed with clean water to loosen stains, the scrape stage, where the scraper wipes off residues on your floor, the scrub stage, where a fiber roller washes the floor, and the suction stage, where superior suction removes dirty water and wipes off residues. Clean across various hard surfaces including hardwood, ceramic, granite, and marble. The robot will recover the dirty water and dry the floor within a minute. It features an 850ml water tank and a 900ml dirty water tank. These separated compartments with individual inlets and outlets ensure cleaning efficiency. The rechargeable battery gives you up to 80 minutes cleaning time. The robot needs to be manually set on its charging dock between uses. The various cleaning modes include path mode that can cover around 400 square feet, area mode that can cover around 270 square feet, spot mode for deep cleaning a specific spot, and edge mode to clean along the edges and corners of your house. If you're looking for an affordable robot mop, take a look at the iLife Shinebot W400. Number 4, Best Battery Life, Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid. The Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid is our selection as the robot mop with the best battery life. It measures 14-inch diameter, 4-inch height, and weighs 8.5 pounds. Its low profile lets it clean under furniture with ease. Get increased efficiency with prolonged runtime with the upgraded iPath laser navigation system. Combined with its real-time AI map technology, you'll be able to customize target cleaning that fits your home. Easily set virtual boundaries right from your phone to exclude areas that don't need cleaning. The 5,200 mAh battery can clean up to 150 minutes, and the pinpoint return feature intelligently remembers exactly where cleaning was paused and returns to it when fully charged. Its ultra-strong 2200 Pascal suction power packs a punch and allows thorough cleaning throughout your home. The Boost IQ feature lets the robot automatically increase suction power when extra vacuuming strength is needed while keeping the cleaning volume to the same as a microwave. The 450ml dust collector and the convenient 3-in-1 washable filter make for easier cleaning and less maintenance. Adjustable mopping power lets you use the robot on different surfaces. Automated water control with its intelligent mopping allows for effective cleaning without spillage. The robot is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Easily control the device by using your voice or using the Eufy Home app on your phone. Additional app features include virtual boundaries to exclude areas you don't need cleaning, real-time control to monitor where the robot is and what task it's performing, and zone cleaning to focus on certain areas. If you're looking for a robot mop that can clean for long durations, the Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid is your best bet. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3, Best Value Mop, iLife V8S. The iLife V8S is our recommendation as the robot mop with the best value. It measures 13-inch diameter, 3.2-inch height, and weighs 6 pounds. The robot features a smart 2-in-1 cleaning with a powerful Gen 3 Cyclone Power System suction that's perfect for tile, hardwood, or carpet, and a mopping system that can handle stubborn stains and grime to give you a thorough clean. Self-adjusting suction power assisted by the pet hair care system makes sure fur has nowhere to hide. The rechargeable battery cleans up to 80 minutes, and the robot will automatically return to the charging dock when low on battery. It has a large 750ml dustbin that holds more dirt so the robot can clean longer between emptyings. Its intelligently planned cleaning instantly corrects the cleaning path to achieve max coverage in less time. The LCD display keeps you informed with easy-to-read icons. Command the robot using the remote control or the mechanical keys on the robot itself. 6 cleaning modes including Auto, Max, Path, Edge, Mopping, and Spot give you options to handle any situation. 3-speed water dropping control makes mopping more efficient and reliable. Easily set up programmable schedules to clean at different times for each selected day. If you're looking for a robot mop with the most common features, the iLife V8S will suit your needs. Number 2. Runner-up, Roborock S7. The Roborock S7 is the runner-up on our list. The robot measures 13.8-inch diameter, 3.8-inch height, and weighs 10.4 pounds. Equipped with Roborock's Hyperforce suction, the S7 reaches 2,500 pascal of suction to pick up fine dust and hair. It has a finned all-rubber brush that agitates better and avoids hair tangles. The floating main brush tracks the ground lightly on both even or uneven surfaces to deliver a much better clean. The Value Mop uses sonic vibration technology to scrub up to 3,000 times per second and cleans floors deeply and effectively. The intelligent mop lifts when carpet is detected so you can mop hard floors and vacuum carpets in a single clean. The 470ml dustbin stores dust day after day. The 300ml water tank can deep clean over 2,100 square feet, and the 5,200 mAh battery can operate up to 3 hours on a single charge. The vacuum features LiDAR navigation that creates detailed maps of your home and can identify your rooms. It's compatible with the Roborock Auto Empty Dock and also features a child lock to keep pets and kids from operating the vacuum. The Roborock app lets you set no-go zones and invisible walls so you can limit access to problem areas or protect fragile furniture. It also lets you set schedules or adjust various options like water flow and suction power. If you're looking for a great performing robot mop, the Roborock S7 won't disappoint. Before we continue, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with the latest product reviews, and check out the links in the description to support the channel. Number 1. Best Overall Mop, iRobot Braava Jet M6. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 tops our list as the best overall robot mop. It measures 19.6-inch length, 15.2-inch width, 5-inch height, and weighs 4.9 pounds. Its precision jet spray easily tackles sticky messes and kitchen grease, while the Maximize Edge design makes sure the robot gets into corners and along edges. It is suitable for cleaning finished hard floors including hardwood, tile, and stone. Using cutting-edge V-Slam navigation, the robot maps your home and navigates in neat, efficient rows to ensure every inch of your floors is covered. It's ideal for larger spaces or multiple room use and will navigate itself around objects and under furniture. The rechargeable battery can clean up to 60 minutes, and the Smart Charge and Resume feature enables the robot to intelligently recharge for the amount of time needed to finish the job. Imprint Smart Mapping lets you label different rooms. Keep Out Zones lets you tell your robot to stay away from certain areas. Activate the robot with the sound of your voice with hands-free mopping, using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Use the iRobot Home app to have complete control over the robot, including customizable routines and customizable maps. The robot learns from your cleaning habits and will offer personalized cleaning suggestions to help you stay ahead of everyday messes. If you're looking for the best performing robot mop, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 is it. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video for more product reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.